Bluey and Bingo were racing through the forest, their paws pounding the dirt, laughter echoing loud. Suddenly the bushes shook, leaves rattled, a deep growl rolled through the air. Bingo froze. What was that? Bluey narrowed her eyes, ears high. Something big is out there. Could adventure turn dangerous tonight? The ground thudded, heavy steps rumbling closer. A massive shadow loomed, and then, boom, a huge brown bear stepped into the clearing, fur gleaming under the moon. Bingo gasped, "A bear!" Bluey barked, "Stay calm." But the bear tilted his head, sniffed the air, eyes glowing kind instead of wild. Could this giant be friendly? The bear rumbled low, not angry, more curious. He sat, towering like a mountain, holding out a paw. Bluey whispered, "He doesn't want to fight." Bingo inched forward, trembling, then placed her tiny paw against his massive claw. Suddenly, smile, the bear chuckled, deep and warm. Could fear turn into friendship so fast? Bluey and Bingo climbed onto his back, soaring higher than ever. "Whoa!" Bluey shouted, "We're on a bear!" Bingo giggled, holding tight. The bear bounded through the forest, leaping streams, smashing through bushes, carrying them like royalty. Coco and Muffin peeked from behind trees, jaws dropping. That's unbelievable. Could magic feel this real? The bear led them to a hidden meadow glowing with fireflies, the air sparkling like a dream. He roared gently, and more animals appeared, foxes, rabbits, even owls swooping low. The forest became a secret party, lit by stars and laughter. Bluey wagged hard, shouting, "This is the greatest night ever." But then, snap, a branch cracked. Hunters crept from the shadows, nets raised, eyes locked on the bear. Bingo cried, "They want to trap him." Bluey barked fierce, "Not while we're here." The kids clapped, whistled, shouted, distracting the hunters. The bear roared mighty, shaking the ground, sending them fleeing. Could courage protect friends forever? The bear lowered his head, letting Bluey and Bingo hug his snout. They whispered, "You're safe now." The forest cheered with rustling leaves and glowing fireflies. As dawn broke, the bear vanished into the trees, leaving only paw prints and a memory shining bright. Bluey turned to us, tail wagging, eyes wide. Every adventure hides a new friend. If you want to see where the next story takes us, tap like, hit subscribe, and join the journey with us.
This old man, he played 7